Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you here about to help you how you can start to use cash on Agoda. That about finally something that is about to be a false row. What we are going to have and how we can start to see something that is helpful through what we are going to be here on situation that starts to help you about it. Now we can start to see something that is relevant through what we are going to be here on this situation. As you can see about it, we are going to know right now that to use cash on Agoda about to help you on what we are going to see, and we can start to underestimate it and engage through what they are going to do about it in this section. That is about be related to what we are going to know on our places. That is really to be very fine and helpful through what we are going to know, and now we can start to endemic through. So you see over here to sign up for the Agoda's account and book the clickable stage on the Agoda platform. So completing a qualifying booking, you can earn a cash reward based on the total amount spent. Apply your Agoda earnings about the balance of your next booking, and that is all about to help you.